Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. So before we get into this video, if you're not already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below and make sure to leave me some like. So for today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Eating Body Works, and this is their coconut Shea line. So they sent me all of their products, so that's what I'm going to be reviewing today. And I'm going to attempt to do a flat twist out. This is the hairstyle that you're seeing right now, a flat twist out mixed with 2-strand twist. So that's what you're seeing right now. So if you guys like to see how I achieve this look, then go ahead and keep watching. So first I'm going to start off with the Peppermint Tea Tree shampoo, and I really do love this shampoo. It feels like it's really clarifying my scalp, and it has that tingling sensation from the peppermint and tea tree, which I love. So I'm just going to go ahead and massage that and then rinse it out. Then I'm going to follow up with the tea tree conditioner. I'm going to apply a good amount to my hair and detangle using that as well. So the next clip you guys are going to see my hair fully detangled, and it really did leave my hair very soft, and it actually was a pretty good detangler. Didn't come in a very big bottle, but it is a very good detangler, and this is what it looks like after I rinse out that conditioner. So first I'm just going to start by sectioning my hair into like 3 sections just to get everything out of the way. So I'm going to start off by using the leave-in by Eden, and this is their coconut Shea leave-in. I'm just going to apply that to that back section. And then I'm going to split it down this middle and just do 2-strand twist in the back. So I already have my leave-in applied, so I'm going to go in with their curl defining cream. On top of that, I'm going to take a dime size amount of that curl defining cream and just apply it to that section. And then I'm going to make sure that that section is fully detangled before I start to go in with the 2-strand twist. So yeah, I'm going to be using the leave-in, which I love. As soon as I apply it, it makes my hair extremely soft and moisturized, and it is good for color treated hair, which I have for myself. And you can use this as for a twist out as I'm doing, or for any type of style and wash and go. So I'm probably going to try it next on my wash and go. So I think in total I had about 9 2-strand twists in the back, and then like 6 flat twists in the front. Just did 2-strand twist outs back there, and then for the front I'm gonna try and do flat twists. Don't know how it's gonna come out because flat twists aren't really my specialty, so I'm hoping that it's gonna come out good. But I really do like this curl defining cream. It smells so good with the coconut and shea butter. It smells so good. Coconut makes everything smells good, but as soon as you apply it, it kind of just like makes your hair instantly soft and really moisturizes your hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a part like that. Put this back. I'm gonna go in with that leave-in, just like a little bit. Apply it to that section. I'm gonna detangle. And then I'm going to apply that curl defining cream, like this much. My hair looks so damaged. And then I'm just going to do 2-strand twists. Okay, so this is the most important part. When you're doing these flat twists, you want to make sure that you are not really getting any tangles. I don't know how to explain that, but not like getting any stray hairs from like other parts of the twist. And make sure they're like clean, crisp twist parts, if that makes any sense. And then you want to make sure that you're detangling along the way at the bottom of your twist. So I'm going to repeat it one more time and show you guys and see if you can get it. And then I just went ahead and applied the coconut shea edge control to my edges. So I'm going to make sure that I am being really neat when I'm doing these flat twists to make sure that it's not sloppy, because it really helps during the takeout when it's time to take them out. It helps when it's neat so that it just unravels easily instead of like making it all frizzy. And again, make sure you're detangling as you're going down so everything is nice and defined. Okay, so this is how it looks. Hey guys, so I'm back and it's been like 2 days since I've done my twist. So now it's obviously completely dried. Some of them did get like smashed while I was sleeping, so I don't know how that's gonna end up affecting this twist out. So I'm praying that it doesn't make it look bad. But yeah, so before I go and start unraveling my twist, I'm gonna go in with the Eden Body Works Peppermint Tea Tree Oil. This is what it looks like. I personally love the smell of peppermint and I love tea tree, so this is like perfect. So I'm just gonna apply like a little bit of that to my hand. And then rub it, and then I'm gonna apply it to like the ends mainly. All right, then I'm just gonna go ahead and put that top section out of the way and start taking them out. All right, so I'm gonna come back when it's time to take out the flat twist. I'm just gonna keep doing the same thing for the 2-strand twist in the back. So for the flat twist, I've just noticed that if you just take your time and separate each curl slowly, then you will minimize the amount of frizz that you have. As you guys can see here, I am taking my time and trying to see which way the twist was put, so I can do it in the opposite way to minimize the most frizz as possible. So right, this is the final product. So this is what my hair is looking like after I take out the twist. I'm gonna go ahead and use some of the Eden Body Works Coconut Shea, and this is their edge control. I'm gonna apply that to my edges. So this is what my hair is looking like. I just went ahead and tried to pick it out some, trying to make it bigger. I don't know if I like this, you guys. Let me know if you guys like this hairstyle or not. I'm so not used to twist outs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.